Hi, my name is Hannah, and I'm here with YYOGA, about to teach you a 10-minute triceps only. So this will definitely feel like a very strong workout for those triceps. I hope you're ready. You don't need any weights, you just need your body. Now I'll take you through about 5 exercises. We'll go through them twice, and then your triceps will be very happy. So let's start by coming down onto our hands and knees. I'm going to ask you to feel your fingers spread open and come down onto your forearms. Now, this is the easy version, so let's just start with that. We're going to lift the arms straight by bringing the elbows up off the ground, and then reach your elbows towards your thighs and bring them back down. So here we go. We're going for a few of these. If you find that they're pretty good, you're feeling very confident, bring your knees a little further away and start to work the same movement with a little more of a diagonal through your body. Feel free to lift your feet off the ground or keep the toes tucked into the floor. Lift the back of your head. Don't let your head drop, but keep the chin slightly nodding in so you have a nice long neck, continuing on with the rest of the spine. 2 more here. And last one. From here, you're going to come back with your straight arms. Press yourself up and take your knees down. Toes on the ground. Bring your hands underneath your shoulders and let's go into a tricep push-up. We're just going to do 10. Chest to the floor. Press up. 1, 2. Think of your shoulders wide across the front so you have a nice open front of the body. Keep scooping your belly slightly in by keeping your pelvis neutral. So tailbone reaches back and down. You can feel your abdominals working with your triceps. 5 more. Last 4. Think about your triceps reaching back towards your feet. 2 more. And last one. As you come back, take a little stretch. Hips towards the heels. Let your head down. Keep your arms active, away from the floor. From here, you're going to turn around and come onto your back. We're going to use our abdominals as well as our triceps here. Rolling down your spine. Take your feet in, shoulders wide. Lift your arms an inch off the floor. Feel your triceps holding your arms up. Nod your chin, curl yourself up, and pulse your arms. So you want to pulse your arms quite vigorously using the back of your shoulders and the back of your triceps. This is a Pilates move. It's called the hundreds, but we're just going to work for about 5 more breaths. Feel free to float your shins up and use a little bit more abdominals. Pulsing from the back of the shoulders and triceps. Usually when we use our triceps, there's always our shoulders in the back, the deltoids, posterior deltoids, connecting with the triceps. So we have another 2 breaths here. And last one, inhale, lengthen, exhale, roll down. Grab onto your hamstrings, roll up to seated, keeping your knees bent, feet on the floor. Take your hands behind you, fingers pointing towards your heels. Now you want your elbows to point back. We're going to go into a table position. Lengthen your tailbone, lift your thighs, and hold. So we're working with our triceps here. We're going to bend the elbows and then straighten the arms. Now, when I did one of those just now, I felt like I could move in a little bit, but then maybe not. If you have a chair or if you have some kind of bench, it's actually much nicer to be lifted off the ground. If you don't have anything like that, definitely you can feel those triceps in the way that we're working right now. Let's take those hips and lift them a little higher. Press into the floor. Use those triceps to help you straighten the arms and lift a little higher. Last 4. And 3. And 2. Now on the last one, you're going to hold it up there and breathe, just like our plank. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Feel all 10 fingers, press the ground away. Feel those triceps like you're sculpting and firming them up as you're pressing away from the floor. 1 more inhale And then nod your chin, bring your hips down, and let's come back to the first move. So we're working through all 5 exercises. Second time around, the focus is on the triceps, so it's a little challenging. Feel free to draw the knees in a little closer, forearms down, lift and lengthen them up. So we're back on those triceps. Second time around, inhale and exhale. Lift the back of your head. Make sure that you are looking past those fingers. Your abdominals are in. It's going to be really tempting to bring those elbows out to the side. I recommend that you walk your knees a little closer and make it more successful by modifying your position. Feel free to have your feet off the ground. 2 more. And last one. All right, we're going to press the feet on the floor. Come back up onto your hands. Knees on the ground, hands underneath the shoulders. Find that nice diagonal. Lift and lengthen your neck. Make sure the back of your shoulders are wide. 10 tricep push-ups. Inhale and exhale. Chest towards the floor. Keep those shoulders wide. Find those triceps. Right by now, you can feel them. They're there. 3 more. 2 more. And last one. When you come back, take a little stretch. Find your straight arms, active arms. And then slowly come around, come onto your back. Pulsing arms, pulsing triceps. Take your arms by your side as you roll yourself down. Arms are going to lift an inch off the floor, shoulders wide across the front, and pulse. Find those back of the arms. My triceps are getting a little bit tired now. My arms do not want to pulse anymore. So you'll see by doing the constant muscle focus here, they're going to start to get a little fatigued. Feel free to bring your knees over your thighs, come up, maybe add a little curl, and pulse from the back of the arms. Get those triceps working. Inhaling and exhaling. Last 4, 3, and 1. Inhale. Exhale, come down. Bring your feet down and then bring your knees in. Hold on to your hamstrings so you can roll up and then make your way into your table position. So we're near our final 2 moves here. We're almost done. Press into the floor, lengthen the tailbone, lift the hips. Feel those triceps pressing you up and then bring it back down. Again, use all 10 finger pads, use your feet, and then feel those triceps give you that extra little bit of lift. The triceps are not going to be found until the very end when you extend those arms. That's their job. So if you don't go fully up, your triceps are not going to get their full range. So let's get them working for 2 more. Really allow that lift to come from your breath and from your muscles. Now when you come up, hold and breathe. Inhale wide. Exhale, soften. Keep those triceps working though. Keep those wrapped around muscles. Triceps wrapping around the bones. 2 more. 1 more. And when you're ready, bring your hips down. And then come down. Feel free to sit on your bum or just come onto your heels. Take your arms in front. Bring one arm across the chest, the other arm over the long arm, so you can create almost like a little hug and then just kind of squeeze into your body. Release and switch. Nice tricep stretch. And it's also a nice deltoid stretch in the back of the shoulders because usually they're involved with the triceps. And then release. Take your arms up. Bring one arm behind. Grab onto the side. So actually see if you can hold on to the actual tricep. And then lean over to the right. If you're grabbing onto your left tricep, you're bending to the right. Inhale, come back to center. Release your arms down by your side. Inhale the arms up. Bend the other arm. Grab onto your tricep. And again, inhale. Side bend to the left. And inhale, come back to center and release your arms. Roll your shoulders. And there you are. The triceps have been activated. Hope you had a good tricep 10 minutes. I look forward to moving with you again in YYOGA and see you soon. Thank you for joining.